confuses the state machine, then okay, all the messages after that will not parse correctly, but we will always have seen the server banner and the client banner, so at least we will have that particular VNC server in our logs, even though we weren't able to parse the entire stream. So that's how we can easily define RFB servers on the network that aren't parsed correctly, but you can send PCAPs to me to eventually solve this. But that was one thing that I had to do to make this work. And the other is, no matter how well your protocol parse is, someone will come up with PCAP, and nothing is this really true, because I had submitted this to Bro, and 2 days afterwards someone found a PCAP that didn't work. So I fixed that, and I also came across that custom authentication protocol with the plain text username and password that didn't get. I hadn't seen that authentication type mechanism, so it didn't get parsed correctly. But I could identify it